Hello, this is Bobby at 55LE Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for this LG 55LE5500, possibly 5400, that was sent by customer. I'm sorry, I cannot read that, but I'm sure they will recognize it. The board was baked when it came. We saw this shrunk label up there. We saw the brown discoloration from the baked flux. So we came back to the customer and said that board violates our requirements. It's being baked most likely in an oven, and the customer, to their credit, said yes, I did bake it. Of course it wasn't working, even though there are many videos on YouTube that show you how you bake a board and it works. And if you do it really well, yes, for a while it will work, if you're lucky, but then again it will stop. And then again there is doing it properly and then not doing it properly. I digress. This is just a video of the board after we're done with it. This is just a video of Mattis, which, in case watches that video, is the modern time, well, for me anyway, Jean-Michel Jarre. Very nice stuff to listen to. And so the board will be returned back. We promised we won't charge anything additionally, but there will be no warranty on that board because it was baked before it was sent to here. Hopefully that is enough. I don't know how long it's going to work. I know the same thing or something similar to what happened before will happen again given enough time, because at the end of the day it's not a component that fails, it's the structure of the PCB, and it just starts warping. And we do what we can, but then again the heat takes what belongs to it. So best of luck with that repair. And thank you for being our customer, and thank you for admitting to baking and not having to go through the whole thing. It doesn't matter who really did it. The fact is that it was done to it. Thanks, and best of luck.